This is the best muscle building deadlift variation you have never done before. The Trap Bar Deadlift with a Romanian Deadlift Eccentric. Let me show you what it looks like, but first, I'm Eric Bach and welcome to Bach Performance, where we help you look great naked without living in the gym. Now you're probably wondering, why do this deadlift? Why not just do a conventional deadlift? Why not do a Romanian deadlift? Well, here's why. There's nothing wrong with a conventional deadlift. In fact, it's one of my favorite exercises. It's incredible for building strength, stability, and yes, building some muscle. However, when it comes purely from muscle growth, the conventional deadlift falls short in a couple ways. First, check out this video. As you can see, doing a conventional deadlift. Most of the movement comes from a concentric, or lifting the up phase of the movement. There is very rarely an eccentric overload. In fact, many people drop their deadlifts not because they can't control it eccentrically or on the way down, because the risk-reward relationship is definitely skewed towards risk. When most people get hurt with a deadlift, it's during the lowering phase when they can no longer maintain neutral spine position, and by extension, they put a lot of stress directly on the discs of the spine. So what does that mean? It doesn't mean that the conventional deadlift is a bad exercise, it just carries more inherent risk when it comes to doing the exercise. In addition, you never really put any muscle under maximum stretch. For example, your hamstrings, they're not under maximum stretch with load. Your glutes, your traps, no, none of them have that maximum stretch. Conversely, if we look at an exercise like a Romanian deadlift, one of the huge benefits of a Romanian deadlift is when you're going through that hip hinge position, as you can see in this video, as the hips go back, the hamstrings go under a maximal stretch. What this allows you to do is put a ton of mechanical tension through a full range of motion directly on the hamstrings, making the Romanian deadlift a superior option to a conventional deadlift when it does come to building muscle. Now you're probably wondering, I'm talking about how the Romanian deadlift now is better than a conventional deadlift. Why not just do a Romanian deadlift? Well, you can. It's great for building your hamstrings. However, for many people, the amount of spine stress that happens simply because the bar is still a little bit further away from midline can tend to cause some back pain in certain individuals. So, if I had a hierarchy, yes, the Romanian deadlift would be above the conventional deadlift for muscle growth, but the Trap Bar Deadlift with a Romanian deadlift on the Eccentric still reigns supreme. Here's why. Now check out this video, me doing the Trap Bar Deadlift with the Romanian Deadlift Eccentric. A couple of reasons why the trap bar can be a superior muscle building tool. Number one, because you're standing in the middle of the trap bar, there is less shearing stress directly on the spine. Because the load can stay centered with the midline of your body, it's generally safer on your spine than any type of straight bar deadlift, whether we're talking about a conventional deadlift, a sumo deadlift, or a Romanian deadlift. Number two, you're actually going to be stronger when it comes to the trap bar deadlift, specifically on the concentric portion. When we can lift a greater overall weight, we can create more mechanical tension directly within the muscles themselves. That leads itself to be a greater muscle building response, both directly based on the tension within the muscle, but then we can also activate a higher percentage of fast twitch muscle fibers, type 2 muscle fibers, that can be predisposed for muscle growth. Number three, when you are doing a trap bar deadlift, the hand position has you out wider. With this, we're actually putting more of a stretch directly on the rear delts and the traps, making this a superior option when it comes to building your upper back. That's absolutely crucial if you want to build that V-tapered or X-type physique that is the most aesthetically pleasing when it comes to looking great naked. Now here's where it gets exciting. When we do the trap bar deadlift and we lift up with the heavier weight, guess what? We are stronger eccentrically, meaning we are stronger lowering the weight down than we are lifting it up. For example, if you ever do a bench press with a weight you've never done before, you can probably lower it under control, but you won't be able to push all the way up. That's because when we are having that yielding tension from the eccentric of an exercise, we typically have more strength than we do with a conventional type movement. When this happens, we can create greater levels of eccentric overload on the hamstrings, specifically on that RDL eccentric motion. So, think about it this way, we lift a heavier weight up. Now because we've lifted a heavier weight up based on the mechanics of the exercise, we can eccentrically lower a heavier weight than we would be able to on, say, a Romanian deadlift with the trap bar deadlift. So why should we do this exercise? Number one, we can lift a relatively heavier load, activate more muscle fibers with less stress on your spine using a trap bar than we would be able to with a straight bar with a conventional or a Romanian deadlift. And because of this, we can typically use higher training volume and greater overall load, which can lead to a greater training response and more muscle. Number two, we can overload the eccentric on the hamstrings more effectively with the trap bar than we can on a straight bar, in part because we can be stronger eccentrically and we can handle a greater load on a trap bar than a straight bar. Number three, we can overload your traps, leading to more upper back growth directly on the exercise based on the wider hand position and the additional load that can be used with the trap bar. Now, I have no problem with conventional deadlifts, no problem with sumo deadlifts, no problem with Romanian deadlifts. However, if you feel like you've plateaued and those exercises are no longer cutting it for you, if you feel like you're struggling with back pain, specifically when you want to increase the load or increase the volume, even if your technique is dialed in, consider using the Trap Bar Deadlift with the RDL Eccentric. This can be a great way to overload the stimulus, protect your back, and build more muscle. Now, speaking of your deadlift, are you trying to build your deadlift? Are you trying to build your traps, your glutes, your lower back, and your hamstrings, but you're struggling to get stronger? Well, there's one mistake that at least 50% of people make in the gym when it comes to their deadlift. I cover it all in this video that you can check out right now.
Did you find this helpful? If so, pound that like button and hit subscribe. Now, if you want a free copy of our Chiseled Muscle Cheat Sheet, the no BS way to help you lose body fat and build lean muscle in 90 days, make sure that you go to the description below and download your free copy. Any questions? Drop them in the comments, and can't wait to see you with the next video.